What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the HP Connection Manager fatal error that you may be getting on your Windows or HP device. Let's get right into this. So this is specifically happening on an HP device, I want to say, and it's mostly related to like your mouse or specific programs related to that. It's mostly your mouse, but it can be happening to an HP program software as well, right? So there's a few ways to fix this. The first thing you should do is basically go to search bar and basically type in Windows features. So Windows features where you see over here. And basically once you're in here, if you look and you see your .NET frameworks, both of these, not fully checked off like this, you want to go in and basically click into everything inside of it to check everything. You want to make sure everything is basically checked and then press OK. A lot of times this will fix a lot of these issues, so I would highly recommend you to basically do this. The next thing you should do once you basically get, if that doesn't fix it for you, is to click on this link in this description below. So this is from an HP website. Just to give you a perspective, this is the ftp.hp.com. It's basically a link to download this CASL setup. Once you download this, this will, again, if you have an HP component in your computer, basically, this will install and this should make that error go away and you should be good to go. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys loved the video, please smash the thumbs up, go to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell on that. Mo Tutorials out. Peace.